Inorganic Chemistry. Today's lecture is on coordination compound. Again, lecture 5 is on coordination compound. In previous videos, we see their coordination compound. We discussed their introduction of coordination compound. Again, what is meant by coordination compound? Werner's theory. Then silent features of Werner's theory. Why coordination compound is found? Again, ligand. And today we are going to start the classification of ligands. Ligands are the donor atom or ion or neutral molecule. Here, classification depending upon the number of donor atoms in ligand. Number of donor atoms in ligand. In previous videos, on previous lectures, we see there ligands are the donors, and ligands word is come from the Greek word that is ligand. Ligand means bind, and the molecule is bind to the coordination compound to the metal. So, depending upon the binding property or number of donor atom in ligand, they are classified into three. First is the mono or unidentate ligand. Second is the poly or multidentate ligand. Third is the ambidentate ligands. Here we see one by one. First is the monodentate ligand, in which only one donor atom or one point of attachment and can coordinated with metal ion. Here only one donor atom is attached to the metal, so it is called as unidentate ligand or mono or unidentate ligand. Here the name is come from, here only one donor atom or one point is attached to the metal in the coordination compound, and such type of ligand is called as unidentate ligand. So, for examples here, for example, NH3 molecule has only one donor atom, that is nitrogen atom. Hence, it is monodentate ligand. Other examples are Cl minus, OH minus, and water, etc. Here, in this, only one donor atom is present in the coordination compound. So, this is called as unidentate or mono or unidentate ligand, because in this NH3 molecule only one donor atom is present, that is nitrogen, in the coordination compound. So the ligand is called as mono or unidentate ligand. Again we see poly or multidentate ligand. Here we see two or more donor atoms or point of attachments and can be linked or to bind to the same metal in complex. Using two or more donating sign is called as poly or multidentate ligand. So, see here that there is a two or more donor atoms. That means in coordination compound there is a ligand in which two or more donor atoms or points of attachments are present, which are linked to the metal complex, So metal complex using two or more donating sites, so called as poly or multidentate ligand. Again, This type of ligand forms ring structure. So poly or multidentate ligand forms ring structure, metal being part of ring, and here metal being part of ring in the complex. This called metal chelate. This called as metal chelate, and the ligand is called as chelate ligand. Such type of compound are called as, in which metal present, the metal is called as metal chelate, and the ligand is called as chelate ligand, and the process is called as chelation. In next lecture we can see again there examples of such types of polydentate or multidentate ligand. So third type is the ambident ligand. Ambident ligands, here if a ligand has two or more donor atoms. If a ligand has two or more donor atoms, however, complex is formed only one donor atom. One donor atom is attached to metal. Is called as ambidentate ligand. For example, Cn-, here C and N are the 2 points or 2 donor sites. In SCN again, here S and N are the point of attachment or the donor atoms, so it is called SCN, and Cn- is called as ambidentate ligand. So in today's lecture overall we see what is meant by ligands and the classification of ligands. Classification of ligand is based on the number of donor atoms in ligand. So they are classified into three types, that is monodentate, polydentate or multidentate. Mono is also called as unidentate ligand, in which only one donor atom is attached to the metal. In poly there are two or more donor atoms or points can be linked to same metal complex, is called multidentate ligands. And ambidentate ligand is the if ligand has two or more atoms, however complex is formed only one donor atom, so it is called as ambidentate ligand. For example, Cn- and SCN-. In Cn- there are C and N are the two donor side, and in SCN there are S and N are the two donor atoms. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on chemistry. Thank you for watching.